We strive to provide our customers with the best service possible. So when we get a 5-star review and they say things like this, we have to show it to the world. And here's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers, and it's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament to our commitment to customer satisfaction. We value our customers, new and old. Whether you're brand new or been through our doors before, we would like the chance to earn your business all over again. We appreciate you stopping by and watching. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.